was impressed with the guys, the way how fast and well they did it this morning. It was amazing. The tough shed is going to allow us to empty out a storage unit that we currently have with toolbox, all the yard work equipment and stuff like that, because we don't have room currently to store that equipment right now. We actually do park both our cars in the garage, yes, and I want to continue to do that. I went online and looked, and I really kind of liked what I saw, and I thought the prices were reasonable, and for that reason I got in touch with Tough Shed in Tukwila. It is a very, very sturdy, as you can see from those hinges, and the lock and handle are also very sturdy. It does. It's excellent. The color's the same as we had picked out. It also has a linear aspect to it that matches the front of the house. They did an incredibly fast, efficient, and from everything I can see, a very professional job. If I had to do it over again, at least from what I've gone through so far, I would order another Tough Shed.